Time to shine, I'ma let them all know. You reap what you sow, I shine in the glow. This is how I am and I'm always gonna be. Kill me now, I'll come back to hunt him. I'm a motherfucking soldier, thought I told you before. Well, I'm taking first score, you don't want no more. Got cats sitting there, knocking on heaven's door, kicking down hell's gates, say, have past me. I'm a dub to the fullest, dub to the fullest. I'm the motherfucker that's dishing out the bullets. Understand it, respect I demand it. Keep me a cannon and you dead where you standing. Niggas crooked handed, some like snakes, kicking it in the back with my boy Jay. Yeah, I got this rake, hit his ass in the head. Yeah, I got the shovel, so I think this nigga great. Yeah, I'm a slave to the trade of getting money. Niggas act hard, but this real shit ain't funny. I ain't never been a dummy. I'm J.R., big star. Known on the boulevard, pulling the card on the nigga that's looking hard, 5-star general. Niggas looking pitiful, oh so spiritual. When I get lyrical, niggas will see me driving down Imperial, eating up MCs like they ass was that cereal. My kids be on it. Yeah, I'm a soldier, nigga puffin' Doja, reppin' California to the fullest. Stayin' with that hood shit, stayin' with that bullshit, stayin' with that on good shit. Hiding the motherfucker, hiding the bird in the plane. I'm Long Beach, call me insane. Everywhere I go, I know I'm the shit, know I'm the shit. Ain't afraid to jump, keep a pistol grip pump on my lap, not the trunk. Got flows, I got flows. If you want some, boy, come and get it. Throwing grenades, safe from forensics. You could get the biscuit on the side of your fucking temple. Niggas acting hard when I bang on instrumental.